everyone, how are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Grape. I am a fruit that has been loved and valued for a long time. My scientific name is Vitis vinifera. I am the member of the Vitaceae family. I am botanically a berry. The Middle East is widely recognized as my homeland, and it is there that the cultivation of my plant began around 6,000 to 8,000 years ago. China is the largest grape producer in the world, followed by Italy, Spain, France, United States of America, Turkey, India, Chile, Argentina, and South Africa. The rankings of grape-producing countries can change from year to year due to various factors, such as weather conditions, crop yields, and market dynamics. There are over 10,000 varieties of my type grown worldwide, with different colors, flavors, and sizes. I grow on vines, which are woody, climbing plants that require support such as trellises or stakes. I appear in many different colors, from pale green to red to nearly black. My skin is rich in antioxidants, while the flesh provides hydration and nutrients. I am typically categorized into three major groups: table grapes, juice grapes, and wine grapes. Table grapes, these grapes are primarily consumed fresh as a snack or used in various culinary preparations. They are known for their sweetness, firmness, and appealing appearance. Examples of popular table grape varieties include Thompson seedless, red globe, and flame seedless. Juice grapes, these grapes are specifically cultivated for their high juice content. They are often used in the production of grape juice, grape concentrates, and other grape-based beverages. Juice grapes typically have a balance of sweetness and acidity. Examples of common juice grape varieties include Concord, Niagara, and Catawba. Wine grapes, these grapes are specifically cultivated for winemaking purposes. They possess specific characteristics that contribute to the production of wine, such as desirable sugar levels, acidity, tannins, and flavors. Wine grapes come in a wide range of varieties, including red grapes like Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Pinot Noir, as well as white grapes like Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, and Riesling. In terms of taste, black, red, and purple grapes are often sweeter than green grapes. In general, fruits with darker pigments tend to have higher antioxidant levels compared to lighter colored fruits. Champagne grapes are considered the sweetest of all grapes. These small red grapes are available throughout the year. Red and purple grapes contain a compound called resveratrol, which has been associated with various health benefits. Resveratrol is a polyphenol that acts as an antioxidant and is found in the skins of grapes. I am a good source of certain vitamins, particularly vitamin C and vitamin K. Vitamin C supports the immune system, while vitamin K plays a role in blood clotting and bone health. Grapes contain several minerals, including potassium and manganese. Potassium is important for maintaining proper heart and muscle function, while manganese is involved in bone development and antioxidant processes. I'm rich with antioxidants like resveratrol, quercetin, and catechins. These powerful compounds have amazing health benefits. These can help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases and supporting healthy blood circulation. I am a good source of fiber that promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Moreover, my skin contains compounds that contribute to maintaining a healthy gut. I am proud to have antioxidants that researchers believe can protect and support brain health, promoting cognitive function and providing essential nourishment for a healthy mind. Research has shown promising evidence that the antioxidants found in grapes may play a role in lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's. I have a water content of around 80% to 85%. This high water content makes me a hydrating food choice that can contribute to maintaining proper hydration levels in the body. I have few calories and can be included in a healthy diet for managing weight. Include me in your diet for radiant, youthful skin. My antioxidants protect against aging, support collagen, and prevent skin issues. Viticulture is the study of grape cultivation, while enology is the study of wine and winemaking. Cabernet, the rarest grape variety, is a unique genetic cross of Merlot and Cabernet Franc. It is exclusively found in a single Tuscan estate. Japan's ruby Roman grapes are considered the most expensive fruits in the world, with prices reaching up to 10 lakh. In the heart of Maribor, Slovenia, there is a very old vine. It is over 450 years old, and is considered the oldest vine in the world. The vine is so special that it has its own museum called the Old Vine House. It can be enjoyed fresh, dried as raisins, or processed into juice, jelly, jam, and wine. Wine is produced by fermenting the juice of grapes, which converts the sugars into alcohol through the action of yeast. Grape skins have natural yeast, but winemakers add specific strains for consistent fermentation. The process of making wine involves crushing the grapes, fermenting the juice, aging the wine, and bottling it. I am often used in cooking and can be found in various dishes, including salads and desserts. I am a treasure trove of natural sugars, often used to sweeten certain food products and recipes. I can be harvested by hand or by using mechanical harvesting machines. My harvest season typically occurs in late summer or early fall. I undergo pollination through wind or insects, which includes bees. The leaves of my vines are often used in Mediterranean cuisine to wrap and cook food, such as dolmas. I must be kept away from other produce, for I am sensitive to ethylene gas emitted by certain fruits. That gas can hasten ripening and spoilage, affecting my quality. It's best to wash me right before enjoying me, not before storing me. To preserve my freshness, find a cool abode, like the refrigerator, where I can be safely kept. I am vulnerable to diseases like powdery mildew and downy mildew, as well as pests such as grapevine, phylloxera, and leafhoppers. My farmers take care of me by pruning, using fungicides, and implementing integrated pest management techniques to protect me. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share it.